Good morning. Today's April 26, 2018, and I decided to start videoing from the very first start of my beekeeping on my own. I grew up with my grandfather and my great uncle doing this, and that was, I was the one that agitated the bees while everybody else had to deal with them. And all I was the guy that held on to the smoker. So I didn't really learn a lot, and now that my great uncle and my grandfather have passed, and I'm years older, the questions that I have now that I wished I would have asked are, I don't have that chance. So I've done a lot of research, a lot of studying, and just getting excited about doing it, and started watching YouTube videos, and decided I would do a YouTube video and do my progression of my failures and my wins on how I do this stuff. So I'm going to attempt to put in a 3-pound package that I got this morning at the post office, and I've been waiting, so excited, like a kid at Christmas. So I called them really early and they let me come pick them up. So I'm going to try to get these installed, and hope I do it right, and hope they decide to stay with me. So enjoy the video. And I've looked, and my queen is still in there, and she's moving around real good, and a couple workers in there with her. I've removed the cork and there's candy in there. So now I'm going to try to put this in there, in between my frames. Wanting to slide down a little bit, so I'm going to try to pin it in there a little bit just temporarily till I can get everything in there. All right, now let's try to get them shook down in there. Let's get them bumped down a little bit. And that's quite a bit of them right there. A lot of them. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to go ahead and put my frames back in. And I decided to use the plastic inserts in the frames that's already got wax on them. And I was hoping that by doing this, that would make it a little bit quicker for them instead of using waxless frames or just putting plain wax in there on them. So I just decided to do that, and hopefully that will help them get established quicker, and they won't have to use so much energy on just building everything from scratch. So so far so good. So next I've got a feeder to go on top that I was going to use, that I made, and to go ahead and get them hopefully building up pretty quick. And I did the little tub on the inside and have them a little way to climb up on this side, and then they can come up here and go down, and they've got a way to get back out so they won't drown. So hopefully this will work out good for me. We'll give it a shot anyway. And what I've got mixed up is 1 part water and 1 part sugar. So we're gonna get them started and see how this does for them. And then I'm gonna try to get the bees out that's in there, and go ahead and get my lid on there before I get any more in there. And hopefully they'll be coming and going and building up. So I'm gonna let them sit for a while and just watch them from outside coming and going, and keep my eyes on it the next few days. And in a week I'm gonna come back and check, make sure they still got food, and just see if the queen's been released, and to see what all they need to do, and see if there's anything else that I need to do. Any suggestions to what I've done wrong, or anything that could make what I've done that's okay better, please let me know. Like I say, I'm new at this by myself. I've been taking some classes online through NCSU and the North Carolina Cooperative Extension. It's the Bees program. And it's a really good program. You need to look into it. Even if you've done it for a while, there's probably still some good things in that can refresh your memory on things that you hadn't maybe done in a while. But hopefully this is the start of my beekeeping for years to come, and I'm looking forward to enjoying it. Thank you for watching.